Hello, some viewers. How are you all? Welcome back to the video. Guys, in this video, we are going to discuss the searching techniques, uninformed search, informed search, and local search. What exactly is uninformed? Imagine there is a block A to block E, and the robo wants to travel or an agent wants to travel. Uninformed means there is no search technique to be there. Let's say there are A block, B block, F block, D block, double block, Q block, E block, etc. Many blocks are there. I want to travel from A to U. So B might have like let's say B1 block, B2 block, etc. Something like that. So uninformed means take any route and you can travel from this location to U location. Anything you can travel. Take any route for example. Uninformed means there is no particular strategy involved. So just follow the particular route. It is just a blind technique. We don't have any proper heuristics. So blind technique. This is also the way to search. Okay. Let's take now informed technique. Okay. Here we are just taking from A to U, but it has certain logic or certain heuristics. So heuristics at search technique. Okay, it has certain technique. Search technique is involved to get to point A to point U. So local search technique. I'll add it here. Local search technique. Local search means what? Let's say we have a bigger maze. The entire maze is there. So maze can consist of, let's take it like that, and I want to reach to a particular goal. So 0 means an empty space, 1 means let's take 1 means wall, inform means a particular route. Okay, local search technique only focus on particular locality or particular local space and get the job done. Okay, here I am using depth first search in the uninformed search. What we are doing, we're having a maze. So we are having a maze. The maze has these nodes A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay, A has B and C internally, B has D and E, C has F, D has null, E has F, and E has null. What is starting node? A, and what is the ending node? F. Now we have to find the path with depth first search. So how it will navigate? A, B, C, then F something E like that. So let me run this program. So what exactly the path we get? The path is A, B and E and F. Okay. So here inform search we have 0 0 and we have 2 2. Same starting node is 0 0 0 and ending node is 2 2. So we have the A star approach. From the lowest possible way it will reach the goal. Okay. What is the lowest possible way? Now let me open the command prompt and here CLS. Here if I could do informed search informed search.py, the lowest goal is lowest possible is 2 comma 2. Okay, so we have now local state. We are finding for the random number from the local search. Here we are doing hill climbing. We will find this data in this possible list data. What is the local search problem here? So Python local search technique.py. So maximum value now is 97. So maximum value now is 100. Maximum value now is 98. So it will always search for the highest possible value. Again, if you search, it's 97. Again, if you search, it's 100. Again, if you search, it's 100. Again, if you search, it's 100, etc. etc. So hope you like the video, guys. If you like the video, please click on like. If you're a new viewer, please click on subscribe. Till then, guys, take care. Have a great day. Bye bye.